Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the SafePal application on your PC. So let's get started right away. In order to use the SafePal application on your PC, you will need to install an Android emulator. So in order to do this, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then type in bluestacks.com in the address bar and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for the BlueStacks emulator, which is a quite popular Android emulator. You can also use other versions by simply going into their website and clicking on the download button to download the installer for the emulator. Once you download it, you can simply open up the installer and then click through the next buttons to install the emulator on your system. Once you get it installed, you can simply open up the emulator and you will be taken into your Android home screen. From the Android home screen, simply open up the Google Play Store and now you can simply search for SafePal. Once you find the application, you can simply tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the SafePal application on your PC. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then when you see the open button, you can just click on it to open up the app. You can then use the SafePal application on your PC by using the Android emulator to trade with your cryptocurrencies. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the SafePal application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.